Why am I dressed up? Because today we're going shopping. Online shopping, that is. Most people don't get dressed up to go online shopping, but today we're getting dressed up. So this is a sort of long video, but I just want you all to stay safe. Black Friday is coming up. Cyber Monday is coming up. The time where people buy gifts for Christmas is coming up. I need you all to be proactive. Too many times we're reactive. Too many times something happens and we have to do something about it. But if we have the knowledge, the power, the awareness to check out these certain things before we click, before we buy, before we make transactions, then we can stop all of this from happening. So just think before you click, think before you buy. Inspect a little bit more, be a little bit more curious, be a little bit more weary, because many things can happen. And it's not your fault. They're not targeting you. They're targeting everybody. And everybody falls for something sometimes, but be safe.